Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss a topic. Is it true that India landed the moon and why they landed it? So on the photo here you can see the President of United States is Joe Biden and Narendra Modi, India's Prime Minister. And India really shocked the world with its moon landing. But some people do not believe it. So that's why we can call it a conspirology. But it's only one of 7 missions currently operating in lunar space. So, India made history as the first country to land near the south pole of the moon with its chandrayaan 3 lander, quite complicated name, isn't it? On August 21st, 2023. This also makes it the first country to land on the moon since China in 2020. India has won several countries, including the US, with its Artemis program, endeavoring to land on the moon. The south pole of the moon is of particular interest as its surface, marked by craters, trenches, and pockets of ancient ice, has been visited until now. So, why countries like India looking to go to the moon? So, countries are interested in going to the moon because it can inspire people, test limits of human technical capabilities, and allow us to discover more about our solar system. The moon has a historical and cultural significance. It also represents a unique opportunity to engage in both international cooperation and competition in a peaceful but highly visible way. So, the fact that so many nations like the United States, Russia, China, India, Israel, and even commercial entities are interested in landing on the moon means that there are many opportunities to forge new partnership. So, are we seeing new global interest in space? So, recently we really seen a significant increase in the numbers of nations involved in space activity, and this is very apparent when it comes to satellites that collect imagery or data about the Earth. For example, more than 60 nations have been involved in these types of satellite missions. Now we are seeing this trend expand to space exploration, and particularly the moon. So, in some ways, the interest in the moon is driven by similar goals as in the first race in the 1960s, demonstrating technological capabilities and inspiring young people and the general public. So, however, at the time, it's not just two superpowers competing in the race. Now we have many participants, and while there is still a competitive element, there is also an opportunity for cooperation and forging new international partnerships to explore space. So, how does India's missions on the moon can compare to missions in other countries? So, India's accomplishments is the first of its kind and very exciting, but it's worth nothing that it's one of the 7 missions currently operating on and around the moon. In addition to India rover near the South Pole, there is also South Korea's Pathfinder lunar orbiter, which is studying the moon's surface to identify future landing sites. The NASA-funded Capstone spacecraft, which was developed by a space startup company, and NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. The Capstone craft is studying the stability of a unique orbit around the moon, and the Lunar Renaissance Orbiter is collecting data about the moon and mapping sites for the future missions. So, also, while India's Chandrayaan 2 rover crashed, the accompanying orbiter is still operating, and China's Chang'e 4th and Chang'e 5th lander are still operating on the moon as well. So, according to all of like stated facts, it is probably a fact that India landed on the moon, but will they continue it, and is it gonna give any, is it gonna be successful, or is it gonna give any opportunities to India? That's a huge question.